Hello students, I welcome you all in the second part of mathematics virtual class 11th. Now we are doing sets. In this second part, we will start with representation of a set. Now there are two methods of representing a set. The first is roster form, or it is also called tabular form. Second method is set builder form. Let us start with roster form. In this form, all elements of a set are listed. It means we have to write all elements inside the set brackets only. So in that is roster form. You consider an example of set of all natural numbers which divide 6. So you start writing the elements. Now we have to write all elements, all numbers, natural numbers which divide 6. The numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 6 separated by commas enclosed within these brackets. So all elements are listed in this. So this method is called roster form of the set. You consider another example. Set of all letters forming the word follow, F-O-L-L-O-W. Start writing the elements. The first letter is F, comma, write down the second letter, that is O, third L. Now fourth one is L again, so we don't repeat the letters inside the brackets, so that's why L. Then comma, O, it is again there, so we won't write down here. Last one is W, so enclosed within these brackets. So this method is called tabular form or roster form. You consider one more example. Set of all odd natural numbers. Now start writing odd natural numbers. So natural numbers start with 1. So first number is 1. First odd number is 1. Then 3, 5, 7 dot dot. It means we will continue writing the numbers in the same way and enclosed within these brackets only. So this method is called roster form of the set. Now move on to the second part, second type, set builder form. If all elements of a set contains a common property which is not possessed by any element outside the set, it can be written in the set builder form. It means all sets cannot be written in the set builder form. Only those sets whose elements contain a common property that can be written. You to understand this, you consider an example. Let set B contains elements A, E, I, O, U. Now if you observe these elements, all these contain a common property. Which common property? That all these elements are vowels of English alphabet. So because these contains a common property, so it means we can write this set in the set builder form. So means you have to identify the property first. So you start writing this set in the set builder form. So now first of all we have to assume any symbol in place of these elements. These symbols may be X, Y or Z, etc. like this. So let X, we assume the symbol X, then colon, and write down the property. The property is all these letters are vowels in the English alphabet. So write down X is a vowel in English alphabet enclosed within these brackets. We will read this set as set of all X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. This is the method of reading this set in set builder form. You consider one more example. Let A is a set contains elements 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now you observe these elements and you try to find out the common property. We observe and find out that all these are natural numbers and starting with 4 only and ends up to 9. So assume these elements by a symbol, let it is X, colon, then define the property. X is a natural number and X lies between 3 and 10. So in symbols we will write down 3 is less than X, less than 10. So enclosed within these brackets. So this is now set builder form of this set. You consider now, to understand this concept, we will convert set builder form into roster form. You consider one example. Let C is a set of all X such that x is a positive integer and x square is less than 40. It means we have to write all positive integers whose square is less than 40. So start writing the elements. Positive integers, so start with 1. So square of 1 is 1 less than 40, so 1 should be included. Now the next positive integer, it is 2. Square of 2 is 4 less than 40, so you continue in the same manner up to 6. 6 square of 6 is 36, which is less than 40, it should be included. Now you think of 7. 7 square of 7 is 49, which is greater than 40, so that's why 7 will not be included. So set C will contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is called roster form, and this is the way to convert set builder into roster form. Now we will learn how to change roster form to set builder form. Very good example. So you consider a set containing these elements: 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 4 by 5, 5 by 6 and 6 by 7. Now we will convert into set builder form. So we will first observe the common property which is used in this set. So first you see that all these elements are in the form of numerator and denominator, and you see in every element denominator is 1 greater than the numerator. So it means you start writing, let these elements are represented by symbol x, colon, define x. So denominator is 1 more than the numerator. Let numerator is n, then denominator will be n plus 1, 1 more. So x is equal to n plus 1, where n is a natural number, and this numerator natural number varies from 1 to 6. So 1 is less than equal to n, less than equal to 6, enclosed within these brackets. So this is set builder form of this. I hope this representation is clear to all of you. Now you try to solve these questions. This is exercise 1.1b, and if you have any problem, do write to me on my email ID. Thank you.